Hello everyone, today I'm going to be reacting to Mini's Banana Fridge. I'm going to press this play button.
The Pope takes a poop and the President too, and the fancy pants banker in his three-piece suit. Big fat general and all of his troops. The truth of the matter is everybody poops. Famous brain surgeon has to leave his lump, and the high-priced model has to stop for a dump. The can the size of Canada can't spray away the truth, 'cause even if they don't admit it, everybody poops. Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number more than two. Let them taxes and everybody poops. Some days it's easy, other days it's hard. But if your system's working, then you're lucky stars. Nobody talks about it, not a word is said. If you're not pooping, then it means you're probably dead.
There's the books in there.
The destitute and homeless have to do it, it's true. But even all the wealthy people gotta make do. And if you live long enough, it's happening to you. Sooner or later, everybody poops. Everybody poops.
Did you put the boxes in there?
Everybody poops. Sure things number
Oh,
more than two.
they get the banana.
Let them taxes and everybody poops.
He got crying. Is that a blooper? Oh my god.
That general and all of his troops. The truth of the matter is everybody poops. Famous brain surgeon has to leave his lump, and the high-priced model has to stop for a dump. The can the size of Canada can't sway away the truth, 'cause even if they
What's
don't
that,
admit it,
Ken?
everybody poops.
I'm over there. And there's the chainsaw.
Sure things number more than two. Death and taxes and
A
everybody.
cactus.
Some days it's easy, other days it's hard. But if your system's working, then you're lucky stars. Nobody talks about it, not a word is said. But if you're not pooping, then it means you're probably dead. The destitute and homeless have to do it, it's true. But even all the wealthy people gotta make do. And if you live long enough,
He's got not reach the banana.
everybody poops. Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number more than two. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Doobie-doop.
Well, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.